Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be adding an updated version of the video I had uploaded for you at the beginning of the semester. I'm doing this for several reasons. The first being that this portfolio is coming up relatively quickly. It is a very important part of your grade in each education class. And I just wanted to make sure everyone is on the same page, that you understand what is going on and how to create your website. It is a very easy process, but you do need to know specific steps. So that's where we come in today. Okay, so I will be referencing all four of the core classes, which are Educational Technology, Child Growth and Development, Exceptional Children, and Introduction to Teaching, because all four classes will use this website as a platform to showcase the work you've done throughout the course of your time here with us in the education program. Okay, so let's start at the beginning. The first thing you need to do is go to just a Google page and type in Google Sites. You will get something that looks like this. It says Google Sites Sign In. So you click on Sign In, and it will take you here. Actually, I'm going to do my Amber EdTech address for that. Okay, so you can see that these are various portfolios that have been turned in. If you have already turned in your portfolio, you do not, like let's say you turned it in for Educational Technology, you do not have to make a new one. You just add to it, because this is a fluid working document that you will continue to add to throughout your time with us in the education department. Okay, so let's just pretend though that you haven't started yet and you want to create one. So you're going to go down here to the plus sign, where it says create a new site, and you will get a blank page that looks just like this. Of course, the first thing you want to do is put your name here, and then underneath it, I would like you to put Professional Teaching Portfolio. You can click right here, and you can make it a little bit bigger. You could make it a heading. So you can also go in and change the font, but we'll talk about all that later. To the left, you can add a photo or a logo, or you can just simply put your name, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put my name right there. This is an image for your header, so we will change this to, you can upload your own, or you can select an image. There is a gallery, and you can just choose anything you want. But like I said, you can pick from anywhere. You can upload your own picture and then put it in there. Okay, then you just hit select, and there it is. Okay, now let's get down to business. This is your home page, your home base. So if you previewed it, if you hit preview, this is what it looks like. Basically a blank website with your name on it. So we want to add to it now. We want to fill it up with things that we have done all throughout the course of the semester. So hit back. And I chose, just to back up a little bit, I chose Google because it was such an easy website process. It's basically a drag and drop. But there are a few things you need to know in order to make it more, or to make it simpler. Okay, so first we are going to drag and drop, and this is going to be kind of a welcome page. Welcome to my page. All right, welcome to my page. And then if you want to, you can say this is a professional teaching portfolio that showcases my work throughout the course of my time in the ASUB education program, or something like that. Excuse me. If you want to, you can put anything you want here. You can put any image you want to put. You can actually search Google. You can just put any picture. So here's my profile photo. So we'll just do that. We'll put that one right there. Okay. So this is your home base. Do whatever you want to with this. As you know, I love creativity, and you can never be too creative with me. As long as you've got the bulk of the material, as long as you are following the directions as far as what to put on it, this is your space. This is for you to design and create something that is you. Okay, so we have our home base, and if you go back to the preview, this is what it looks like. Now we have to add to it. To add to it, we have to add what are called sub-pages. So what I want you to do is go to where it says pages right here, and you see it says home. Okay. On the right of the home, you see 3 little dots. Click on the 3 dots and then hit add sub-page. Okay, so if you're in Intro to Teaching, you have a list of pages. In other words, a table of contents. What you would do is just go through that table of contents and add it. Like I think one is education philosophy, so you want a page on that. Another one is I can't spell today. Philanthropic activity. So you want a page for that. In both Intro to Teaching and Educational Technology, you have to have a resume and cover letter turned in. So you're going to add that. And then you would have a page for your observations and reflections. Okay, and you just kind of go on through that. Okay, this is where I want you to pay attention if you're in exceptionalities and or child growth. Go to the home right here. Go to the home icon, then hit the 3 buttons. Add a sub page. Put exceptional child. Hit done. And then you want another page for child growth. Hit done. Okay, and then you need another page for educational technology work samples, or however you want to say it. Oh yeah, it's going to let me do that. Okay, so you want work samples. And then finally, you need to, all the article reviews that we have you do, we're going to put those in there too on the same page. Okay. And I may be missing a couple of things that are on the list, but you get the idea. That the classes that are not Intro to Teaching are going to just have their own page all to themselves. Okay, so let's flip over to Ed Tech. Let's say you're in the Ed Tech class and you need to start putting in your things for Ed Tech. Go back to where it says Insert. Then you are going to use the drag and drop. And for every one of these, let's say this is your Picto, I forgot how to spell that, your Piktochart assignment. So you put that there, and then you can put this, the purpose of this assignment, ... and just kind of tell me what that is. So then you would go in and put your Piktochart in, which I will show you how to put in the images in just a second. But this is kind of how you label them, and however many assignments you have, So you have several in ed tech, so you just drag and drop however many you need, and they'll be right here for you to look at. Okay, so the next question is, well, how do I put an image here? Go to the insert, which we're in there, and then hit Google Drive. And we are going to put everything we do in Google Drive. This is a PictoChart on the body systems. It's a PDF. When you put things in your drive, save them as a PDF. Then you have a simple drag and drop that you can do. Go to Drive. Well, it's thinking really hard. I think it's cold too today. But what you would do is you would go through here and then just insert the things that you have finished. Let's see if it'll let me do it this way. All right. Usually it'll just let you do that. Oh, it's really not liking me now. Oh, goodness. Okay, well, I am very sorry that we're going to have to take a little break for me to figure this out. Aha, there we are. Okay, so you just insert it. There we go. All right, sometimes it'll pop up down there underneath it. All you do is pick it up and put it in there. Boom, there you go. There's your PictoChart. There's the explanation of what it is, and that's all you have to do. You just go through here and you are, you're just showing me what you have accomplished. If you don't have a lot of things saved as PDF files, well, JPEG files will work too. You can put those into. There's my son. Isn't he cute? Oh, we don't want you up there. We want you right there. Okay. So you just drag and drop. Oh, let's see. Oh, if I can get him to. Okay. So you just drag and drop, and you just do this for every single assignment. If you mess up like I just did, you just hit back. All right, but PDFs are best. PDFs are definitely best. And if you're having trouble inserting things, please give me a call. But it's usually just drag and drop. Okay, so what we have so far, let's go through it one more time because I'm running out of time for the free version of this video program here. So I've got to kind of wrap it up. So what you're going to do is just go through all your assignments and change them to a PDF. Now, how you do this, let's go, here's the storyline lesson plan. To change this to a PDF, you click on the lesson plan, and then it is very simple. You're going to go here, and you're going to download it as a PDF. So you hit PDF document, you rename it, something you'll remember. Storyline lesson plan, and then you go back to the site. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry, you go back to Drive, and then you upload it as a PDF to Drive. Okay, that is it. I hope this answered some of your questions, and I will be making another video soon, but contact me if you have questions.